Welcome back to part 2 of this neck guitar repair on this Fender Acoustic, and just a quick look at what we've got to repair with the damage that was caused to the varnish and where the holes have come through for the actual studs. First of all, I need to cut off the excess of the dowling sticking through. Do that a little clear of the neck so I don't damage the neck itself. I've used masking tape around the guitar neck just so that I don't damage the neck with the file. I'll just shave off a little of the tops of the dowling so I haven't got too much to sand down afterwards. Now I've filled the damage in the neck itself around where the varnish was with wood filler, and it's time to sand down that area. There were a few small blemishes in the wood filler that needed a little extra touching up with a bit smaller wood filler, but that didn't take long, so I won't bother to show you that part and the drying process. Then I had the same thing to do on the back of the headstock, but the difference is we've got a little bit of a curved raise in the top of the neck, which is designed for strengthening, and so I would sand that part down, same as the front. I also noticed a small piece of beading missing from the edge of the guitar at the back at the bottom. I didn't have any further beading, so I used a bit of extra wood filler, and I can colour this in, and that will solve this little problem for the time being. I will make a part 3 video just to show the final finishing off and painting of the parts so that you can see what the final result looks like.